For a post-order traversal, we use recursion to visit every single node in a binary tree in a specific order. In the case of a post-order, we visit the entire left subtree, then we visit the entire right subtree, and then finally we'll visit the root. So for this tree, we will start at the root node A. So we don't visit A, we visit A's entire left subtree. That'll take us to this subtree here. So for this subtree, we have to visit this subtree's entire left subtree, so we'll go left. So now that we've reached the leaf node G, we will visit G. We then have to visit this root node's entire right subtree, which will take us to this subtree with the root I. We then have to visit I's entire left subtree. That takes us to the leaf node with value F, so we will visit F. We then have to visit I's entire right subtree, which has a leaf node with the value E, so we'll visit E. Now that we visit I's entire left and right subtree, we then will visit the root, which is I. And now that H's entire left and right subtree have been visited, we now visit the root node, which is H. So now we have visited A's entire left subtree. We don't visit A yet, we have to first visit A's entire right subtree. So A's right subtree over here has the root node B. There is no left children, so we don't visit anything on the left, but we have to visit the entire right subtree before we can visit the root node. So we'll move to the right subtree. This is a subtree with the root node C and a left child. We can't visit the root node yet as we have to visit the entire left subtree of this node here. So this node has a left subtree with the value D. That is a leaf, so we'll visit D. We then have to visit this C node's entire right subtree. There is no right child for C, so we can finally visit the root, that is C. Now we have technically visited B's entire left and right subtree, so we can finally visit the root value, which is B. And at this point, we have now visited A's entire left subtree. We visited A's entire right subtree. So finally, the final step, we can visit A. Now you may notice that every single node in this binary tree has been visited. Therefore, the post-order traversal is complete. And this is a sample post-order traversal of this tree.